manjun aise beshi kushi bara lo aise aji amikan itu environment day itu khadi amikan la poside itu jaga de amikani observe kura noi oli program to all over the dunia so te itu program lo itu amikan sob jani
Ito lakala dili dakam jungla dana bale dana khali lawang jungla dakam jungla thunang jungla lamela kama dini sangkalola siveda
Yaongyimchen alayong aro samu citizen nam de amnan sob ki welcome kura jane de ase ese amikan conservation start kuina ami postiman hoi no hoye oli amikan phom jat mano itia to conservation laga advantage conservation kurile kini ka phalo bo amikan laga environment to kini ka phalo ine chawo ine chani na amikan phom jat mano itia ra start kuina mano beshi posti mano beshi forte ahe ase amikan bi conserve kuribo amikan bi kuribo hoina so beshi mano ahe ase to bani amikan jat mano itu posti no hoye oli kiman posti ahe bo owner wa lead kurina amikan posti mano lead kuina jabi de hoina amikan shiba nam de itu ne ki ase Amikan la lamsa jalok society ura sir do deputy commissioner no hoye le amikan la district covid-19 task force ase amikan jat pachagina rakhibo gate tai beshi kam 3 rak humaina kam kurase ura amikan lamsa jalok nam de olap covid-19 task force district covid-19 task force karne olap contribute kurai dibi sir apni ye ase
As you know, this event, the World Environment Day, it is being celebrated to raise consciousness about preventing, about halting and reversing environmental damages to our ecosystems. We have done a lot of damage, a lot of harm to our unique heritage, our ecosystems, and time has now come to look back and do something for it. And I said, why not? We must. And if people themselves are coming forward, if our leaders are coming forward, we should help. And therefore, I decided that along with my senior colleague in the ministry, we visited your beautiful state of Nagaland. We visited your district of Longleng, and we then went and went to see the watchtower that you had made. And from there, I remember we saw hundreds and thousands of Abode falcons.
I'm going to make a short presentation, and I've been asked to talk about climate change impacts and what is the global approach. I have prepared a presentation with a few slides, basically some visuals to capture what is actually going on regarding climate change. And I'm sure many of you are well aware of what is this.
We will now hear from Dr. Ni Zong, Bureau Assistant Professor and Principal Investigator, NU.
Ecosystem restoration or environmental conservation ki kuribo lage na kuribo lage to amahan puriya para scientific knowledge, academic writing aru ki alag bishi ase hulibi kura tole to apnahan kuriya ase etu pra aji ami kobole ekta duita any methodology no hulibi through the scientific academia knowledge te ki kuribo lage to alap ekta duita apnahan ge share kuribole hi ase aru apnahan ge encourage kuri kine apnahan ki kuri ase etu bhalke aru mon di kine ki logote mili kine paratok ki kuro paribo to itibra aru dangor bhal kam kuribo de eneka etu apnahan sob ke janai dia ase.
Today we have gathered here freely without any borders. The only hindrance is COVID-19, but tomorrow it will be much worse. Imagine a life century away from now. We would be fitted with oxygen, each one of us due to dehydration, with unbearable heat and might even be on the verge of extinction if we don't save our ecosystem now. From a global point of view, it is an open fact that we are all heading towards ecological disaster. From the pollution of soil, water, air and noise to depleting the ozone layer. Let us look no further, but take a look around us. All this is taking place right under our nose. Everybody is responsible for this, and we are taking no action to stop this disaster. Businessmen, politicians, farmers, and the youth are accountable for this. However, let us emphasize on the role of the farmers and its impact on environment. Farming being the main occupation of the Phom people, it is undeniable that the farmers in this region practices some harmful activities for the environment, that is, chum or shifting cultivation, deforestation, and the rampant use of soil to kill weeds. The harmful effect of these activities is that burning of fuel releases excessive amount of carbon dioxide, washing away of fertile soil and destroying the homes of the birds and animals, and polluting the soil and killing the friend of farmers, that is earthworm. The question is, what should be the alternative to this problem? Yes, what if we could focus on terrace cultivation rather than shifting cultivation? Practice afforestation such as replacing 2 trees for each 1 tree being cut. Proper disposal of plastic bags and other hazardous items. In order to achieve this, the village administration, the church, the students' union have a role to play by reserving forests, restricting hunting and fishing during the off-spring season, and setting up pins and proper dumping space. This cannot be achieved overnight, however, we can. The process is going to be painstaking. We might, not tomorrow or next year, but definitely we will. If we don't start acting now, then when? There is only one planet Earth, no planet B. Let us consume and use only what we need and not what we want. Leave some for the future. And to wind up with my speech, I would like to wind up with a great Indian saying. Only when the last tree has been cut, the last fish being caught, and the last stream poisoned, will we realize we cannot eat money. Let's go green.
Jin Phùng Gang Sam scientific Jin Liang Ning Bia Sang Yung Bai Ta Be Ba Ka Sang Chun Len Kia Yung Kun De Tan Ko Chung Yo Ka So Yung Te Ke Sang Yung Yem Nen Jan Na Tang Ni Se Tai Ni Ke Ni Ba Hu Ka Tam Ni Se Ka Ka Mi Song Ni U Bai Tan Ta Si Kia Tam Ni Se Ka Ka Tam Ha Tam Kho Ni Kho Cham Ka Da Yung Te Ke Sang tam ni se lu ka ka ha tam ni ba an pa cham ga ni de ha tu ba u he u ka he ba mi ong tin ba ni ke shin ya ka he ba mi ong ba ni ke ba je kong che ma shik che ni ta ka she bi jang ka she bi she lam ka long yi ya long gam ni ke ha ba tan pa che le nyu ki gang lu pa che le nyu ki se che ni ta ka sha bu de scientific pa ha mi ni mo ba Haba kaba mukai mayan, haba kaba mukai tekan, haba ya ampuni nyung betul gaya, haba kai benika hamka ibaca mayan. Mereka si jadi long tekan ke tekesa, hajung jadi tekok sam, jengnya gaya tu, nyulum baca gaya tu, long tek teba ni tek tu lemia, mani tek jadi kong oksi. Teba jeni habai ba nang lei tangan atau habai hasi yang menyuarakan ba jen bungken hanya ke mia jen sama mia China lei Amerika lei citizenship le dah ke haji jen sama Timor Burma jen Phom segala jen bung segala si tok ba ke haji ma jen ba Xinjiang tak ada kasi ni ba kang lu kasi yang ni ke haba kai Xinjiang yu zhong yu Xinjiang zhongbang yu ke ha zhe mi zhe da na ha nang ka jin bu wu ok sham jin bu wu yo sham jin bu wu de ok sham de wa jin bu nang lei tang chi yu sha ma se ha zhong ya i ya man ka haba ye ta ni yo
amakan laka sir de glo tai widely award Pa nam de amakan dia World Environment Day atsat pura nam de amakan achi chamba guru paria se idura tai ke thank you dibule time nabai idura amakan Phom Council Public nam de tai ke Phom mano phal hobo ti mi de tai kiman rasta khorai dise idya bi tai mon tamol hoigina aro itu nisina amakan jama hobole aro itu isina amakan ki environment phal hobo itu hodai mun tangol hogena gore dibi hogena taige ekta example togena flap taige tia tin bagala kape ya sang farmer doing kini tekai daibo mabangung sipongnya maka itu climate imbalance and its impact on ecosystem mabanyang nyo jay bay maka itu mulang songang nyo sang mabalaban gajin bongwe pongnya hayo hambongwe jangan nyubo ka ay sabo ada yung ay sabo mabalam ka hambongwe mung sang ko nya haba jungmun apa maka yang anyuhan say taypenang ka hasa so ini ba mulang songang kuhiba dan ka hambong hasimalong jajo jumbong dagulang bong nisu sejo jumbong sabong baka mabawong sang nisui cái sao cho cả hơn cái mùa trâu chung bông ấy hạ bông lông gật và chụp bông chụp lông ấy tăng để làm bữa cái chung bông nhỏ sang mấy cỡ sang mấy lấy cầm tờ chung bông ấy cả lông ấy nên dùng cho máy dùng cho chung bị hạ sang cột sang cái lông ấy mà ba lắm cho chung bông sang hạ bên này sẽ ít cái climate tôi là change হৈ যাচ্ছে itu ramakan tupai se itu ramakan ki lagai phangke no lai itu ramakan ki hoye se amakan problem do good pra serve korbo kiba mango nishina orange nishina fruit can lagai lebi ফুল দু ভাগে ওলাই কুত্তি ভাগে তিখি দাগি হলিবি লাস্টে তাই নিজবরা খিলি গিনা একটা দুইটাই বাজি বাবা বাজি টাইম দিতে হলে কিমান ওলাব এটো কুত্তি খাই গিনা হব পারে দুসরা জাতি আকান দিতে হলে এটো নিচিনা পিসি ডেভেলপ হওয়া পাবলিক লাভ হওয়া পায় হলিবি আমাখান লাগা এরিয়াতে আমাখান লাগা নাগালেন্ডে ওলা দাম দি বেশি ওলাইলেবি ইটো আৰু হাওয়া ব্রা নহলে পানি ব্রা নহলে গরম ব্রা সব খিলি যায় কি নিমিতে itu serve kurumole good prani ba makange itu problem tamol aji amakan tikho ba number 3 amakan than khiti bonai gena than hari poila din de dole itu jaga de than bi phal olai mukai bi phai olai aru ki kuchugan lagaibo hade kamai longai mai si ko ai longai beji chini ha bu nyom de sang paten go long mai baka chi ko ha se chong ha ko de di dai bo ha me ge ada ha chong ai chong ma ga yang se ge shu chong ai ya ke long chance nyu ba ha chi ni ni ba ada ha chong ai chong ba chi de ha ti de bo ha i ni ba ma dam se ni jin sa jan ong chik chi ame pu lak ke tie chong ge ami a ke ge mo apa ga shu chong mai long ba ni ge ada ma dam se ni hạ long ai mà chăm bung ai tại anh chẳng có hai bậc súp gà mày có số mà iba haba súp gà mày xong trên này hạ không phải hạ được thôi hai mà ba cái xe xin như vậy từng cái haba nhiều bài trên long ai mấy xin nhiều cho hạ anh những anh tặng vợ so hay lâm bằng đại vợ để găng lúc sang đại vợ găng như nhà đại vợ để xây lý xây cho được hộ vợ haba giờ mà ba hôm nay chỉ này haba sung nhiều sao cũng nhiều tâm đỡ I want
to thank Prem Sachinlok and also I want to congratulate them for organizing this program in such a befitting manner. Besides all the difficulties that we have been facing these days due to pandemic situation, you have made the best use of technology that is available to us and also the limited resources that you have at your disposal. This is going to be a very remarkable program for every one of us. Now coming back to World Environment Day celebration, mudan kotha beshi bani loise, mankan baba kotha beshi padise. So the World Environment Day will be all over the world one of the most celebrated or one of the most important events in the world. Okay, today is the day, the World Environment Day. The World Environment Day says every year they select a theme that choose great. And every year they select a host country. So this year the global host country is Pakistan. Our global theme to the Mudan Barbar is ecosystem restoration. It's a theme ecosystem restoration. The relevance of the theme in today's world cannot be underestimated because, as we all know, our lives depend on the ecosystem. We need a healthy ecosystem for our survival and for sustenance. And today it is a common knowledge to every one of us that all over the world the ecosystem has depleted so much that even our own existence itself is under threat. So this is the right time to act in every possible way to restore the ecosystem for our own interest. To achieve the global theme of ecosystem restoration, we need to act at a global level, at the village level, or at individual level. So today, our gathering here, I would say that our program here today is in no way lesser important than any other program that is taking place at the national level or international level.
Today, on the occasion of the World Environment Day, when the UN Decade on Ecosystem Restoration is being launched, I would like to highlight the contribution of indigenous people and local communities in ecosystem restoration. In India, we have seen how the wisdom of local and ethnic communities has been instrumental in the conservation of both protected areas and community-managed ecosystems. As part of the India Biodiversity Awards program, UNDP along with the Government of India has identified and recognized nearly 800 ecosystem-based solutions that are playing a major role in restoring ecosystems, enhancing community resilience and conserving biodiversity, especially outside protected areas. People have been using traditional knowledge, social practices and customary laws to conserve the ecosystems on which they are heavily dependent. I have personally documented customary laws in tribal-dominated regions in the country and have observed immense conservation values inherent in their practices and in the judgments of the local ethnic courts. These local governance mechanisms can be recognized as other effective area-based conservation measures or OECMs under the post-2020 Global Biodiversity Framework, which will help enhance the role of indigenous people and local communities in ecosystem restoration.
It is a matter of great privilege for me to be invited on the occasion of World Environment Day 2021. It is really heartening that Dr. Shri Phom has taken initiative to organize this program despite so many impediments. As we all know that the whole world is facing COVID pandemic, nothing can be more relevant than to rededicate ourselves to the cause of nature and environment. Today is also very significant as it marks the commencement of UN Decade on Ecosystem Restoration. This day provides us with an opportunity to broaden the basis for an enlightened opinion and responsible conduct by communities, enterprises, and individuals in preserving and enhancing the environment.
I'm very honored to take this opportunity on behalf of the Phom Conference to speak on the topic, the role of students in restoring ecosystem for future generation. Today, as we observe the World Environment Day, first of all, I would like to convey a big congratulations to the team leader of Lamsa Chanok Society, Sri Phom, for being conferred the prestigious Whitley Award 2021, and the team members for your enormous contribution towards protecting our mother nature in general. The contribution and achievement of the team has encouraged us so much, and it will continue to remain as one big challenge for the future generation. Talking about restoring our ecosystem, the role of the student is then most crucial, as they are the most informed sections of people. Their contribution will help not only natural environment, but it will directly provide other benefits to the people and the environment itself.
Our environment ka mabanya ba? Puyo ni ke, yong ni ke, yam himang ni ke, hado pa se pa environment se ni ba. Hado ba sinyak thue, na han u ka pe ya. Chung ba ga du no. Chene pa he ba thue na ha ba. Lai si chiu he te nyu ba, ka pe se ni ha. Haba hatu pun angka penyu din hane yak tekan nyuba jen hawa ba kap tu pun angka jen ke tin lam de human beings are too selfish mechen ke he boye hame ka to kima male bu kima locking we started locking ade ba me ko yu de haba ka to aba bu yu ba sa ngai de sa ajong ba environment jin ke wang le super song yu jin mak de hana ke wang le mai ban da Phom pahibadan ke jin ki esi yong ke melinas natural indigenous fishing melihan nyuamba hatu yapayo nya long ha nyuamba long meshi jin ha nyuamba sama unnecessary 20-30 bomsakan bleaching powder, mababa sangka sakai, yongan sanjin mu. Nyala susen yung si, sian, rutin yung teman. Ini cini mani aja, longi aja masuk ba, longi mau siapa yang ba, ada. Ngai ya hebak ke kai, la super ba, sia, Yaongyimchen nai, amar falcon kam neng la nasahan. Reserve forest sigari nasahan se significance mega abungi se super laba hana ga jingba ge apa de se jiao de cha kong shu je bai shi e de sa jere student person ne ba student ni ma da jinga implement na je ni ba bayan to one ya ha ga gai ba na ga je ni myo na de Yong mai maba nyuje yong ba mai si tai han na je jin ke se ku suan ha ge maba nyubu ho mai jin se ku tang nya ha ba mo mai si pe tu ha ba tai scientist ge je ne pe abong he bak ka male obo he bak ka ha ga jin se na kam de ni nyam ba Malaysia ni nyam ba ha na ge jing ai pura tu 70 years, 100 women, Habaya Jen Shin Yuba, environment, say, Abatao Shinubana. In the name of civilization, Jane Shonen Yuba, destructed to Edgar, Mantuk to get. Hajamba Jini Okba, Tauhana Dikana, Jane Okana, long again. Hananga Jane Publico, Home Publico, Jane Mandalidi. Jene shuli ba ya hakai thai he ba inch atha inch ya jong jin ba long han long bo tan bu ba tikai ba he long bo a jong ba cha ba long bo ya a do tong tu khan ne ba ba bo samai bo na lo ba hakai mon yuan kai me ga hum ap kam nya mai student he ba ka student president new he ba ka jingai mai hai ha ba ngai Phom napan senimo citizen meeting Thailand Phom napan next year Thailand hai bako yan akai gak chong mai nung ngai ba scientist hanai ka pheja Phom ba man ka ang bani ba ka long ma nyu ka tai nung ba mani kap ningo ha chong ba je ni thung ka kap na ka tok ba mang da ba Hale earthworm nyeba, kato ke habolong nyeba, haje had omeje de mang tukpe nangke, kato pama, ambong bayi jungai sian, hum kap pele, ram haje nek haje, tes pama ke, ambayi jungai nyuan, kini abayi ram nyugima, don't destroy, save the environment, don't destroy, save the environment.
I would like to thank all the participants, most of you who are still online and watching us. It is such an honor for us, our team and all of us here to have you in this very humble occasion. But we do believe that we are marking a history because what we do today and what we decide today and what we plan today is going to be an impact even for UN. UN bra ito sal bra 10 years from now, achibra loigina ecosystem restoration karni ekta program suru hoy ase. Aro ami bhabana je amakan UN laga manobra agidi kotha koise amakan communicate korise parili to takan aibo amakan osodi na itu tamdi amakan laga part to ki hobo ami abunakan laga postiti takan ki aigina introduce koribo itu laga ase itu bra amakan jina hobo kani amakan iku koriboli para nai amakan to in a small way amakan logo ki conviction takisi itu kam kori ase itu bra abunan gima junase bishi khushi pai ase achi yati tostas pustikan matia do takan bra nichor bra reaffirm kurikina amakan bi join kuribo enika voluntarily aha kan kani itu invite kuri ase takan ki yati likhina ase itu bra kunba bra takan ni kili enika bhabigina thakili to koigina amakan itu first itu janai di ase achi amakan dunia di threat kodam di tuita nation chakra kuri for example lage nation 1 nation 2 tuita country chakra kuribo Olebi ito chakra do third nation, fourth nation pra shanti ponai di. Noili ito tension to reduce kuri di. Olebi aji all global family di prithvi laga amaran laga threat ekta ase. Ito dito third party bi nalagi, fourth party bi nalagi. Aro iko na ito do nobo. Aro amaran laga dushman enemy do environment do ase. Ningnoi nature do hoise ito kan karni amakan reconciliation party nai aro ito aha do amakan tosal disai ase pishi jor bra ase ami laga 5 years laga 10 years laga vision do I want to create a biodiversity peace corridor aro ito amar laga vision do in another 5-10 years 50 to 100 biodiversity conservation ponaibo the only thing is we have no resources. Our manpower is too limited. Our amakan laga communication system itu bishi kumti hoshi itu bra ase. Aro itu amakan laga tisuman logo chakra kuribuli to dusra third party nai amakan ni chutu hobo lagi. Itu bra itu ami laga passion ase, ami laga vision itu ase. I think Whitley Fund for Nature bra ami ki green Oscar dia to itu speech pra di hola ini ka bhabi ase kili boli dusra to iku nai. Itia environmentalist kan kotha kora do itia laga COVID-19 bimar bi ito environment related bishi ase koi ase ito bra amagan laga tisuman do tusra laga pahar bra noi nijor laga hat bra pona ito olai ase speaker kan sot koi ito bra amagan guri boli to ki ase khata bra aji jama wan sina around 15 villages kunba ai boli parana ito bra dagal laga nam likha nai tuita tinda posti amakan itia suru hoy ase aro parili ami kali porso pra tusra posti tibe amakan pirabo takan pra matigina ase sorti noili to ai bi goise to aman jabo sensitize kuribo aro amakan ito clusters of posti dikidia conservation ponaibo amakan laga dushman do aibo libi threat to reduce kuribo amakan ito clusters of conservation ponadam di amakan ito kan bi invite kurigina Nagaland North East to manon hotspot ko ase na ekdam phal chaka ekta bonabo ito bra ito vision biodiversity peace corridor di abu nahangi invite kuri ase amakan join kurigina kam kuribo kani abu nahan so ki ito invite kura ito janai di ase
Today, signifying the World Environment Day, I plant this tree here.